problem, we are asked to solve by factoring using grouping. Our equation is already set equal to 0, so we're ready to proceed with setting up for grouping. We currently have 1, 2, 3 terms. If we're going to do grouping, we need 4 terms, so we can have 2 groups of 2. This means we need to expand our b term. So we're going to do that by multiplying a times c, which is going to be 15 times negative 8, and that is negative 120. So we need to find factors of 120. So I'll do 1 and 120. It'll be 2 and 60, 3 and 40, 4 and 30, 5 and 24, 6 and 20, 8 and 15, and finally 10 and 12. So out of this list, we know that one of these sets of factors or one of these pairs will replace b. And I know that it needs to multiply to get to a negative 120, add to get to 37. If I look at this 340 pair, if I make the 3 negative, I can do negative 3 plus 40, and that's 37. Negative 3 times 40 is negative 120. So that seems like it's a really good fit for this problem. So let's go ahead and rewrite our 3 terms as 4. So that's 15x squared minus 3x plus 40x minus 8 is equal to 0. So you can see we've kept it equivalent. We've just stretched out the 37x into minus 3x plus 40x. Let's go ahead and group. We'll create a pink group and a blue group. Out of the pink group, our GCF would be 3x, and that would leave 15 divided by 3 is 5, and that would be x minus 1. Out of our blue group, 40 and 8, our GCF would be a plus 8, and that would leave 5x minus 1. So you can see that we're on the right track and doing really well because we have this 5x minus 1 as a common factor, and then we'll just group those GCFs that we pulled out, 3x plus 8. So now we're going to apply the zero product property. So we're going to have 5x minus 1 is 0. 3x plus 8 is equal to 0. We'll add 1 and divide by 5, so it's going to be 1/5. We'll subtract 8 and divide by 3, so negative 8/3. So our final solutions are 1/5 and negative 8/3.